Okay, so you
That's
can see
strange.
ALXO is stair stepping back up here. I figured it would. 1117-ish is about the top of the line here, if you guys can see this. So we've got it here, 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 and close to here. Now, of course, it could be off by a couple cents, but you can see that's the biggest level. The other thing is you could go by the bodies. So if you look at the bodies, they're really close too. So again, you're talking the difference of like, 5 cents or something, but same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Bodies, bodies, body and wicks. So right in here. So it's sometimes it's hard to tell exactly where. So in that case, that's why I went up to these wicks, because then it makes sure you clear the level it was before. Because remember, risk to reward, you don't want to buy it, right here and you got this much and then it pulls, right? So I'd rather go to this spot, because then you're going from here to here, breakout up to here, and then you're looking at these levels. There's just more risk or more reward to that risk ratio, right? So that's why sometimes I will do that, in case you guys are wondering. Um, so again, the play on ALXO is going to be the bounce off of VWAP. You can see that it did it right here. This is actually, even though it didn't reach, that's still considered a bounce because it was so close. It hit and then it pushed up. ICU, of course, is just banging again right here. We're up on this double top. See it right there. So you got to be careful. Now look at this, right? Perfect example of a double top. You can see right on those bodies and look right where it stopped right there. You see that? So remember, puts on support, because it'll come up like it did and then it pulls way back, right? So this is your payday. Look at it from here to there. That was your payday. See that? That's all profit. Even if it was that quick pullback, it popped up, pulled right back, and look at where it stopped out. See it down here? Now, these as the day goes on, these levels are created. So right here is a channel. This to right here is now a channel, because it gave it to us here, 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 here. Does everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
So this is a trading channel. Now, right here, if this pops to the upside, you guys know to go long, watching right here and here. If this pulls back, you already know it's coming right back down into this channel. Otherwise, we're going to long this, watching for right here, because that could be the pullback. So again, if you're new to VIP, wait for a long candle breakthrough or a candle that comes through and another candle confirmation. There's your long signal, right? Now it just broke right here. We're looking good for a long. Make sure you guys have your stops. I'd have your stop probably down here just in case. But you can see we're getting a little bit of pop. Of course, we have to now watch this critical level. If it breaks that, we're headed right up to here. Everybody seeing how this is working out?